Alright guys, it's a little later in the afternoon. Upon taking it apart, I've run into this. This is crankshaft pulley. I go back over to the truck. You see much more has been done. If you look down there, let's see how close I can get the camera. Shear it right off. Harmonic balancer let go. As you see, we got a little bit more stuff to take off over here. Trying to be extra careful with the wiring. A couple more components to take off. Still got to get in there and get the exhaust off. And then once all that's said and done, I get down there and see about disconnecting the transmission and go from there. I don't have the keys on me at the moment and the door's locked. However, I will show you. It is a 5-speed. Once it's all said and done, take it for a ride. We'll see how it runs. As you see, a lot of the wires have already been disconnected. The ignition's going to be coming out soon. All to go into the new motor. Definitely new to this whole talking to the camera thing, but hopefully in time, a little bit of practice, if you all like this stuff, there'll be more of it. And as you can see, some of the old parts have come off it. Some of them will be repainted and reused. And of course, here is still the replacement engine. Alright, I'll check back in with you guys a little bit later and show you what more progress we've done before we call it a night.